Let us now talk about things. So let's say you want to monitor the temperature of your room. So you purchase a temperature sensor, let's say LM35, and you can make a device out of it that measures the temperature and it stores the value. But you will need a physical access to it. That was the old way of doing it, that you need physical access to the device so that you can read this temperature. But now with the Internet of Things, you can send this data to the network which we have seen just now, that is the network of the internet, and you can access it from anywhere. So this particular device, this becomes a thing. Similarly, maybe you will have a fridge in your home, a refrigerator, a two-door refrigerator maybe, and you want to monitor the temperature inside this or the empty space inside this, and this fridge is connected to the network. So through wires or through the Wi-Fi it is connected to the network, and you are able to access the status of the device or of the refrigerator anywhere from the internet. So let's go back once to the internet diagram, this one. So let's say somewhere here in maybe United States you have your refrigerator that is here. It won't definitely be so big to occupy so much of space in US, and you are somewhere here in India. So this refrigerator, the status of this refrigerator through the network, the internal network of United States, it's sending to one of these ports or one of these landing internet ports, and through that network, through different paths, it gets transmitted. It routes from one place to another place. So maybe from here it goes to this point, from here it comes somewhere here maybe, and then here, and in this way through different points it ultimately reaches Mumbai, and then from the internal network of India it reaches to your computer or mobile phone. So that is what Internet of Things is. What is Internet of Things? It's nothing but maybe sensors. What are sensors? Sensors sense the physical environment and convert them to electrical entities. So you are either sensing, let's say in this refrigerator, you are sensing the temperature inside the fridge. That is a physical entity, and converting it to digital or analog signals. Or it could be any actuator. Let's say you want to control your garage door, which is connected through motors. So again, those motors are connected to the internet network, and you are able to send data to it through that network, through this network, being anywhere in the world. So the data flows through this network and reaches your device. Similarly, you can have lights, fans, and window blinds. These are basically in the realm of smart homes, and maybe industry where you measure different parameters of your machines which are running on. So each of these devices which have sensors or actuators, or which are switching on and off different electrical appliances, these are all the things in the entire network. And since the data is flowing through the existing internet, it's called Internet of Things. The things are connected to each other or to your phone or to your laptop through the internet. This is also where usually cloud comes into picture. So from your things, you are sending the data to the cloud and you are accessing the data in the cloud, or you are sending data to the cloud and your things are getting connected to the cloud and getting the data. So you, through the cloud, you send your data through your mobile phone to the cloud, and from the mobile phone it is sent to the actuator, or maybe again the same cloud or a different cloud. Your sensors are sending data to the cloud, and from the sensors you are sending it to another actuator or to your mobile phone or to your computer, whatever it is. It's usually only sensing elements or actuating or switching on elements. It won't make much sense that you just have a device, you are sitting in United States and you just have a device sitting in India that is just doing some calculations and sending you back the data, because that would be unnecessary cost that you are bearing to send commands to the device and get data back from the device. You could easily do it on cloud or on any board or processing element that you have with you. So in Internet of Things, we generally have these sensors or actuators or other electrical appliances. It could be lights, fans, blindfolds, your geyser, refrigerator, washing machine, anything. And once again, so Internet of Things is nothing but these elements, whatever we have discussed, all of this data flowing through the internet. The command, the control, the data, all of them flowing through internet. And what is internet? Internet is nothing but this structure, this cable network which you are seeing. And internet is short for interconnected network. So this is just to give you an idea of what IoT or Internet of Things is. We'll see in the next video what are the different architecture and different layers which we have in IoT, where the sensors and actuators part stay and where the hubs and gateways and the cloud or application layers come into picture. I hope you learned something from this video. Do let me know in the comments what you think, and see you soon in the next video.